Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a wig get ready with me, hair wig get ready with me, like a hair install get ready with me. And I'm going to be showing you this hair that I received from a company called, I've forgotten the name already. The company is called Sunlight Human Hair. They sent me this Afro Kinky Curly 24-inch lace front wig. I think it's 13 times 4 lace front wig. It came in this cute little packaging here, and they also sent me like 2 wig caps to go with it as well. Honestly, I haven't put on a wig in a long time, and this was so easy to put on. I did bleach the knots, and that was it. I didn't like pluck it or anything like that. It was very, very easy to apply. So if you're the type of person like me that's not very good at like applying wigs, but you know, you want to look cute here and there, you know, this wig is perfect. Like, look at this. It is a little bit light around the lace, just a tad bit, but I feel like it's fine. Like, no one's clocking me, but super cute. So if you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle, please stay tuned. All the details of this wig will be down below in the description box with any discount codes and links to the direct wig. So please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you like this video. And you know, I'm a beginner, I'm not the best, but I do feel like it was worth showing you guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it, guys. So this is the wig. I've never installed a wig this texture before. Like, it's amazing. It looks so nice. I washed it. I bleached just I bleached the lace, and I've just washed and conditioned it so it's nice and soft. It is a little bit damp. I think I might make it a little bit wetter so that it's not as like poofy. Yeah, I'm really excited to try this. I didn't tweeze the scalp just because I'm not really good at that, and from what I'm seeing, it looks really good anyway. So I'm just gonna install it and see how it goes. So yeah, let me take this thing off. I hope you like this setup. I don't know if it's a bit too like busy at the back, but I wasn't feeling like my last setup, so. So I'm gonna be using my Got2b. Sorry, the lighting keeps going in and out. I'm gonna be using my Got2b gel to attach the lace. I haven't put a wig on in so long, so I'm scared about how this is going to turn out, but the quality of the wig looks really nice, so I'm hoping that will help. And then I'm going to be using the Got2b spray as well. I'm just going to use this to spray on top of the lace. I've never used like a lace glue before, but I don't know, my scalp gets so itchy, so I never leave my wigs on for too long, so I don't know, is there any point of me even getting one of those? I'm feeling to try it, but I just don't know. I'll see. I'm going to use a pair of old tights to just hold it down. It just helps flatten it. I'm just going to trim off this excess lace that's on my face. It's because it's annoying me. I'm going to start styling it while it's drying. It's really long. It's a nice length. Normally I don't really like using curly hair just because it's too like bulky and short. but this one's quite a good decent length without being like too long. So it's a 13 by 4, so the parting space isn't like a lot. It's like that's how much parting I can get, so I'm just gonna have to make do with that. I also have this olive oil wrap and set mousse. I like putting that on my curly hair. Just on the top mainly, just to flatten it a bit. Okay, so I've got a hot comb. I'm just going to use that to flatten just the root of the hair, not the whole thing. I don't want it to be like straight and then curly, just the root. I have this Cara Care styling wax stick. I think that might help a little bit with just flattening this out a bit. I don't like using too much because it just get a bit like, your hair just starts getting all like full of product. I don't like the look of it. And then here I am slapping a lot of it on anyway. Cover just a bit of the lightness here. I'm going to use my face powder. This face powder is like a tad bit darker than my natural skin colour, and I just find using a darker powder or foundation is good on the lace, so I'm just going to apply that. I'm actually really liking this hair. It looks so natural, so cute. I was going to put baby hairs, but it's not necessary at all. I'm actually really in love with this hair. Like, look at it. It just looks like I have hair. Like, I look like my hair's flourishing. Honestly, the texture is so nice. Like, when they said that, when I was told they're gonna send me this texture, I was like, I don't know, but I thought let me just try it because it's different for me, and I really like it. It's so natural, and it's not too poofy, and it's like, I would say this is like 85% like fully dry, but you know, if I was to go, I would still take a little mini spray bottle with me and spray it here and there, just because I like my hair to like be on the flatter side. But honestly, I love it. I love the volume of it. It's beautiful. This is 24 inches, so it's a decent length, and because it's quite curly, like the tightness of it is quite curly, the length is still pretty decent. So yeah, and then this is the hairline. Oh, this is the hairline minus the side coming off because I haven't glued it properly, but look, it's pretty good. And I feel like if you're an amateur like me, you know, this was like basic. I bleached it. I put bleach on the lace for like 5 minutes, and I literally saw the colour changing ASAP, so I thought let me just wash it off now. So it took like 5 minutes to bleach the scalp, washed and conditioned it, and it took like what, 10-15 minutes to glue the lace down, and yeah, pretty good. So if you like this attempted hair tutorial, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I'm going to leave all the details on this wig down below. If you are the type of person that loves curly hair, you like something that's going to be easy maintenance when it comes to curly, because a lot of curly hair is quite high maintenance. This one is very, for me, it's very basic. So if you're the type of person that's a beginner and doesn't like doing too much to your hair, this is perfect. And yeah, I would really recommend. If I have any discount codes, I'll leave those down below as well. And I hope you guys have a lovely day. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment like I said before, and I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.